Menteri Kasorka Jela badu MLA ke BJP ba Alexander Elhek la kentai ya ke Jingting ba ke Jingleit Kyrshan ke BJP ya ke NPP hakini ke Lok Sabha election kala ban kata ya ke hadian habot da ke baong ba ke Jingleit Kyrshan ke BJP Kadei ke Jingbthah na kinong yalam ke Sengkmie.
I do not agree to this at all. I'm not agree. They're supporting with the intention is the NDA should win. I don't see any candidate who was applying for the ticket has any charges or any allegations against anybody who apply for the BJP ticket, including myself.
Well, there are also allegations made by them that no logistic support was given to BJP workers by the BJP president, and hence it is not sure whether if workers have really voted for
So
him.
this is the election. This is the symbol, official symbol contesting by the NPP. There's nothing to see any logistic support from that is only the NPP has to manage logistic support, not the BJP. I don't see it as backfire. BJP with the instruction given by the center, they had worked accordingly to support the NPP, and also we are sure to win both the seats.
Also, there are reports that many workers have not voted as per the directives.
But we don't know whose workers are not voted. How we will know? You will know that our BJP workers are what who are not voted. That cannot be assessed like that. No?
So, do you think it was a blunder on the part of BJP to support NPP?
No, that is a decision taken for All India NDA alliance. So cannot be taking that as a blunder because it's not looking only for Meghalaya. They're looking for holistic approach of the entire country.